Hello, what's up? I brought you a new video. Hope you will enjoy it. Hello, we are going to speak today about faults. The term fault is used for a flat and planar surfaces such as sedimentary beds become bent or curved as a result of plastic and ductile deformation. The attitude of planar features such as beds or joints is defined by their strike and dip. Strike is the direction of the line that is formed by the intersection of the plane of the rock bed with a horizontal surface. Dip is the direction in which the steepest angle is formed between the plane of the rock bed and the horizontal surface. The fault has parts. First part, the hang line. It is the line connecting the points of maximum curvature of the bedding planes in a fold. This is the hang line. The axial plane is the plane of surface that divides the fold as symmetrically as possible. The axial plane could be vertical or horizontal or inclined. The axis. Fold axis is a line which lies parallel to the hang line and marks the intersection of the axial plane with hang zone. Limbs or flanks. A limb extends from the axial plane in one fold to axial plane in the next. Note that every limb is usually shared by two adjacent folds. Crest and crestal plane. The crest of the fold is the highest point of the fold surface or the hang of the fold. The plane connecting all the crests is called crestal plane. Trough and trough plane. The trough is the lowest points of the fold. The plane connecting such points may be called the trough plane. Two major types of faults. First one is the anticline one, which is defined as a fold that is convex upward or fold that has all the rocks in the center. As you can see here in this shape. The other major type is syncline. The syncline is defined as a fold that is convex downward. In the simplest syncline, the two limbs dip towards each other. The term has been extended to any fold where younger rocks are in the center, as we can see here also in this shape. According to the symmetry, there is two types of folds, symmetrical fold and asymmetrical fold. Symmetrical fold is one in which the axial surface is essentially vertical and the two limbs dip with equal angles in opposite directions. But the asymmetrical fold is one in which the axial surface is inclined and the two limbs dip with unequal angles in opposite direction. There is another fold, they call it overturned, because the axial plane is inclined and the two limbs dip with unequal angles in opposite direction, and both limbs dip in the same direction, usually at different angles. Overturned, inverted, or reversed limb is the one that has been rotated through more than 90 degrees to attain its present attitude. Isoclinical fold. It is the fold refers to folds in which the two limbs dip at equal angles in the same direction. A vertical isoclinical fold is one in which the axial plane is vertical. Chevron fold. A chevron fold is one in which the hangs are sharp and angular. Box fold. A box fold is one in which the crest is broad and flat. Two hangs are present, one of either side of the flat crest. Fan fold is one in which both limbs are overturned. In the anticlinal fan fold, the two limbs dip toward each other. In the synclinal fan fold, the two limbs dip away from each other. Kink bands are narrow bands, usually only a few inches or few feet wide, in which the beds assume a dip steeper or gentler than that in the adjacent beds. Monoclinic. In plateau area where the bedding is flat, the strata may locally assume a steeper dip. Such a structure is a monoclinic. The dip of a monoclinic way range from a few degrees to 90 degrees. Thank you. Bye-bye.